Hello everyone, welcome to Skills Build Training YouTube channel. Myself Mohammad Zubair, and this channel is all about showing you how to become an IT pro really fast. In today's video, we will be talking about how to install Java JDK on Windows 10 step by step. So let's get started. So first of all, go to your favorite browser and just write Java JDK, and you will have this link on your screen. So just click on this link, and after that you will have two options, JDK download and documentation download. So obviously we want to download the JDK file. So I will just click on it, and from here if we scroll down, here we have a different version for different operating system. Like we have Linux ARM, then we have for Debian distribution, then we have other Linux distribution as well. And down here we have Mac OS, and then we have Java JDK for our Windows 64-bit as well. We are going to install JDK on our Windows 10, so we will download this file. So just click on it. After that, we have to check this checkbox, and after that we will be able to download our JDK file. So just click on it, and after that our download will get started. So as it is downloading, let me tell you about JDK, what it is and how it is being used for different purposes. The Java Development Kit, which is also known as JDK, is one of the three core technology packages which gets used in Java programming, along with the Java Virtual Machine and Java Runtime Environment. It's important to differentiate between these three technologies, as the JVM, which is also known as Java Virtual Machine, is the Java platform component that executes program. Then we have the JRE, which is the Java Runtime Environment. It is on disk part of the Java that creates the Java Virtual Machine. And at the end we have JDK, which is Java Development Kit. It allows developers to create Java programs that can be executed and run by JVM and JRE. People who are new to Java often confuse the Java Development Kit and Java Runtime Environment. The difference between them is that the JDK is a package which have tools for developing Java-based software, whereas the JRE is a package of tools for running Java code. So this is a core difference between them. So after we are done with our downloading, we will go to our repository where we have downloaded this file. So here it is, my file has been downloaded and it resides here. So I will just double click on it in order to install it. And now it has started to install. From here, click on next, again next, and now it has started the process of installing JDK in our machine. And here we are done with our installation. So I will just close this one. So now if we want to check whether it got installed in our system or not, just search for CMD in your system. So I will write here CMD, and here it is. And after that I will write here Java C and hit enter. And here you can see that we have all the information about Java in our system. So it means that we have successfully installed the Java JDK in our machine. Now, as we are done with downloading and installing Java JDK in Windows 10, now we need to set the environment variables for the Java, because every time when a programmer will look for Java, it will automatically be recognized by the program. To set up our environment variables, let me just close this one. Now we have to search for system here, and here it is. Just open it. After that, scroll down, and here you will see advanced system settings. Click on it, and from here I will click on environment variables, and from here go to the section of system variables, not the user variables, and in here I will search for path, and here it is. Double click on it, and from here I will click on edit. Now go to your C drive, and here it is. From here go to your program files, and in here go to Java, and here is our JDK. Now open its bin folder, and now we have to copy this path, and we will paste this path in our environment variable. I will again click on edit, and after that I will put semicolon here, and after that I will paste the path which I have just copied from my C drive, and after that I will just click on OK. Again click on OK. So now we are done with setting up our environment variables. At last we are left with configuring Java Home. For that purpose we will again search for the system. Here it is, open it, and again from here we will look for advanced system settings, and after that again click on environment variables, and now this time we will go for user variable, not system variable. So from here I will click on new. So I will name it as Java underscore home, and down here in variable value we will give the path of the JDK folder, and we will paste that path here. So I will go to my C drive again, and I will go to my Java, and then I will go to my JDK folder. So now I'm not going in my bin folder, remember that. So I will just copy this here, and after that I will paste that path in variable value. Click on OK, again click on OK, and now we are done. So that's it for this video. In this video we have seen that how to install Java JDK in Windows 10, and we have talked about what JDK is and how it is used in Java environments. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and if you have something to ask, please leave a comment below. We will see you in another video. Till then, take care.